It is almost dinner time and it's extremely hot out here.
Very humid.
Humid, sticky. Feeling probably shiny up here.
I am shiny. I got oily skin, plus I'm sweating. Look at the glisten.
We got into a habit, I would say, a few years ago of being careful with the word busy. Have you guys noticed all your friends is like, oh, I'm busy, or Saturday I'm busy?
Look, she's been kind about it. I am tired of penciling in people.
Yes.
I am so tired that we have to make a date. And sometimes that date is so far out. When it comes, I don't want to do it.
Not even like the people you love. You're penciling everything and everybody. Everybody has to fit into a particular schedule. Like, oh,
In a box.
You're my Saturday friend. You're my Tuesday hangout partner.
And at 6 o'clock, you're done because I got this other scheduled event. Look, I'm tired of it.
We decided to take a couple days a week and say nothing. Nobody goes on this day unless it's an emergency.
Right. And spend it intentionally with each other. Today, we're actually with the father-in-law.
Yeah.
So he'll be on the grill. I might give y'all some sneak peeks of his master barbecue.
But other than that,
it's family day. It's that day that you take to regroup yourself. Sometimes we get back to Monday and we're like, what happened to the weekend?
Right.
Why are we still tense? Why are we still stressed? Why didn't we relax? Why there were so many things? Was what we did over the weekend even worth it?
Yes. Have you ever noticed that you went through the joy of getting off of work on Friday and you wake up Monday morning and it was like, was it actually fun? Did I actually have fun on the 2 days that I was allowed to have fun?
Right.
Did you actually have fun?
And so it's really important. And it also gains predictability. Predictability is important for your family because we know what's going on a Saturday. We know what's going on any given day of the week. The messy one has arrived.
He's been in the water. Can you tell people what do you like to do on family days?
Eating apples and picking blueberry and also playing in the water and going to the house. And also we saw the bird egg and a bird nest and a bird nest and the bird egg and the bird egg.
Bird egg and the bird nest.
Yep, and the bird. Yep, and I got silent.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us.
But we tried to be very intentional of, number one, making sure that family day was a certain day of the week at least once.
Yes.
We often have Mondays as our family day. Sometimes it's during the daytime going out to the lake. Sometimes it's at home doing something like baking bread, muffins. But we intentionally living out in the country. We intentionally wanted family day to be just us, not inviting other people into family day, not overcrowding it, scheduling it.
And just kind of let it free flow. And let me be candid with you guys. This came because of me. It wasn't my idea, it was the wife's idea. But it was my behavior.
Yeah.
Because I can be a workaholic. And I will trap myself and zone out in work or in some project involving work that I will take away time from my family. And that wasn't healthy.
Oh, okay.
It's difficult.
Y'all have kids, right? Can you get a word in? Can you finish a sentence? No.
A thought. Children are the antithesis of concentration.
So we'll start a new topic because nobody remembers what we were talking about.
I still remember.
Okay.
So I had to be purposeful and to spend time with my family. It's difficult when you're working all the time and you see the fun that they had, but you weren't included.
Yeah.
Or you get to hear these stories and you don't experience them. It's difficult. And life is all about moments and being in the moment. At the end of the day, what are the moments that matter the most?
Mm-hmm.
And
I think men end up in that kind of cycle. It's like as soon as they go back to work from having a child, then they get everything at the end. Like, oh, he called today. He rolled over today. So I know that a lot of guys hate that they weren't actually there to experience it. Not even the first time. Like, they miss months and months of it and not even know, because a lot happens during the day. That's the bulk of a child's life. That's the bulk of a lot of people's personal energy.
yes. And since work tends to take up the middle of the day, you're coming home at bedtime with 2 hours left. You're exhausted. The child is exhausted. And it's just not healthy. And that's regardless of what age they are. You're still missing out on important events if you don't be purposeful about making a day for you and your family.
And I guess, to be fair, it took a couple years to get to this position where he is working from home. He is taking clients at variety times of the day. Beforehand, guys, it was always just in the evening.
I worked late. Sometimes I didn't even see you guys.
Yeah.
I come in and you guys were in the bed.
Already asleep,
Yeah.
Sometimes he'll clients at 8, 9 o'clock at night, and he had left 6:37 that morning. So it is about to rain.
Yes.
I'm like looking,
So
trying to figure out where it's coming from.
So guys, let us know, what do you do for Family Day? Do you have a Family Day? And have you thought about making one? Please let us know in the comments. I will respond. Till next time. We love you, but we about to get dry.
There's plenty of times where we have run from rain and go inside, and then it's like, that's it, just a couple drops.
This one doesn't look like it.
Yeah, it's a little dark clouds. Maybe we'll come back to you to talk about what happens with Family Day before we had our son, because we tried that. We called it all kind of things: date night, fun night. Doesn't matter what you call it. Did you take time with just you two before children? So maybe we can talk about that on a day it's not raining.
Yes. That'll be very interesting.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's raining. We gotta put everything away and get inside. So, till next time, guys. Love you. Enjoy each other. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
I am up here.